Okay, here we have a related rates problem. And if you haven't read it, I would suggest you pause the video to read it for your own benefit. I will assume that you're very comfortable with implicit differentiation as well. Okay, and I already took the liberty to draw the cylindrical tank in which the marshmallow is being poured into. Great. So here's the volume of a cylinder. And we're going to use this formula to just figure out essentially and relate the volume of the marshmallow with the little height, which is just the level of it, or how high it is up the cylinder. Great. So now note, of course, that this is a cylinder, not a cone, so the radius will stay the same. So I can just plug in the 7 for R. Right there. So I have V equals 7 squared 49 pi H. Fantastic. Now, two really important things. First, what does this mean? The level of the marshmallow rises at a rate of 3 feet per minute. So that is the rate of change of the height with respect to time. Right? Because it's rising at this rate. So dh dt is 3. What we want to know is the rate in which the marshmallow is being poured into the tank. So we're looking for dv dt. Essentially the rate in which the volume is being poured, or the volume is increasing as the marshmallow gets inside the tank. Great. So that's what we want to find out. Now, let's take the derivative of both sides with respect to time. So basically d dt. So now d dt of just v is just dv dt, right? 49 pi is just a constant, so I can actually just take it outside. So I got 49 pi essentially, and d dt of h is dh dt, which we already know. Fantastic. Now, that's what we want to find out, and dh dt is just 3. So dv dt will be equal to 49 pi times 3. 49 times 3 is 147 pi. Fantastic. And that's the answer. So, actually, let me just work that out with my calculator, though. So that works out to be approximately 461.81 cubic feet per minute. And why is it cubic feet per minute? Always be careful with the units here when you're dealing with related rates. The height was increasing at 3 feet per minute. So when we're dealing with a volume, it must be, of course, just cubic feet per minute. So hopefully that made great sense to you. If not, write me a letter and send it to me. I'll be pleased to get it. And then I'll make another video. So good luck and have a good one.